Hey everyone, hey guys, welcome back to the Pajero IO Adventures, and in today's video I'll be doing full service in my Pajero. I want to get it ready for the next adventure, and that is tomorrow. So I want to do a full service. I'll be changing the oil, the air filter, and also the oil filter itself. So hiyo shughuli yote nataka kuifanyia. And the good thing about doing the service by myself is because I get to understand the car better and to know a few more 1, 2, 3s, because I've never done it again. It's my first time doing the car service by myself. Another thing, inakusevia do, because that money that I would have taken to that guy, I'm going to use it somewhere else. So let me show you a few things that nitakuwa nikibadilisha. So here, this is 15W40. It's a shell. It's good for the Pajero IO. So this is the oil I'm going to put to drain the old and put. Here I have a oil filter. This is the oil filter. I'm also going to be replacing this. And here we have something called the air filter, one piece. So I'm going to take you through the whole step of changing each and everything, and we'll see how it goes. So let me get myself ready. So guys, I think I'm all set. I have my tools here, my toolboxes. My oil filters are here, and everything that I'm going to need, I now have it. And now let's get to undo the car. And let me open the bonnet. Niaje? Sana. Salama. Kabisa. Mkabali. Hadi sandini haraka. Ile hata kwanza ni. So now it's time to undo the thumb guard so that I'll be able to access the oil filter.
What are you doing? What are you doing, Daddy? What are you doing?
Building the car.
Building the car? Okay. Daddy, do second. You do this.
Give me that.
Daddy, give me that.
I'm using this, okay?
Daddy, this. Okay. Oh. Daddy, fix it. Daddy, speaker.
Ngoja. Careful with those things, eh?
Yes. Daddy, this one, put this, and easily. Wow. Mari kadiwen, ni mtu akutanena sa gari. No, Daddy thinks gari, meza. Daddy painting Daddy. Daddy, this one you feel this way. Daddy, this one you use. Daddy. Daddy.
So guys, there is the fuel filter, the oil filter I mean, and here is the drain nut. Hope you can see it there. So I want to drain now the oil and remove the oil filter. And see guys, the oil is draining. Very nice. So let's open the cap. So like that. For the oil to drain completely. So from here I'm going to open the filter and also do some more draining. Let's wait for it to finish. Got everything here now. We have our old filter. This is the old filter, and we are going to put in the new one, and this is the old oil. Now the old everything is out. I need to put the new filter in. Remember, I've never done service. Hii ndio mara yangu ya kwanza. And I think it's perfect because it's not very hard to do it. You can do it by yourself. So you put the new filter in. Yes. Yes.
Power.
Our new filter is in. Now we put back our oil pan seal. Because the oil is completely drained, the one that we were changing.
Yes, you. Yes, I'm chopping.
With everything done there, now time to put new oil. This one. So it was not as hard as I thought, removing the old filter and putting in the new one. It was so easy, very easy. So I now put the new oil inside and we put it at the top. So the new oil is put from the bonnet on top, and usually you open this cap that is usually here, so you open it and you put in the new oil. You first, this is 4 liters, but yenye tutatumia hata kwanza kuweka kitu kama 3.5 liters, then we check the dipstick tuone itakuwa ngapi. So let's go in. Yes, that's fine. Let us first work with that one. Check the oil level. So tuipe a few minutes itulie kwanza. See. That's something. So 3.8 liters is fine, should be fine for the 2000 cc. So mine in particular is inakuwa 2000 cc. So we work with that. Yeah, that level should be fine. So let's go ahead and change the air filter. So the air filter what tunaibadilishia from here. This is the new air filter and we have the old one here. So this is the old air filter and we have the new one. It's very important to change the air filters because hizi ndio zinafanya gari yako iweze kubreathe vizuri. It's the intake of oxygen into the combustion chamber. So if it's get dirty, sometimes unapata your car is consuming a lot of fuel. And in goes the new filter now. funny guys, I've never done this, but it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Badilisha. Now the new air filter is in. So you see those 3 simple steps that zinafanyanga wase wagope sana: kufungua the oil filter, kufungua the nut ya kufungua the oil imwagike, and replacing the air filter. Those are the main things that usually happen ukienda kufanya gari yako service, and you've seen I've done it. I've never done it, this is my first time and I was successful. So acha tugurumishe gari tusikie venye inaguruma. Yes, so guys, I've been successfully able to do my service. I've changed the oil. You can see the old oil is there, the old filter I've also removed and put the new one. And let me show you a few more things in the bonnet. So usually this is where the oil goes in. We have the dipstick. The dipstick is the one that shows you the level of your engine, if it's too low, if it's too high. So this is the one that shows you where your oil level is. Here we have the power steering fluid, the hydraulic ones. Here we have the radiator. This is where you put the coolant at the radiator, and at the far end you can see there's another one there. It's where you put the brake fluid. So generally servicing your car is easy. You just have to learn a very small things from it, and you can do it by yourself. So let's give the car the first start and see how it behaves. Nice one. So the first start after doing the service, the engine is fine, everything is nice. Now let us now check for leaks. Yes, so guys, after everything, kila kitu sasa iko sawa. I've checked, 0 leakages, everything is now nice. And what we'll do next is now putting back everything together. Then go for a small road test and to see the gari venye iko.